Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you on how to add soundboard sounds to Discord server using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Discord and open the server. Then now, just go ahead and click on the server's name at the upper left corner of your screen and click on server settings. Now here at the left side of your screen, you should see the soundboard option. So just go ahead and click on that. Click on upload sound. Here you can just go ahead and click on browse and select the file that you want to upload. As you can see, file should be MP3 and up to 5 seconds or 512 KB maximum. So now just go ahead and choose a file, sound name, related emoji, so you can select any emoji that you want, and the sound volume. And once you've done that, just go ahead and click on upload. And that is how you upload soundboard sounds on Discord server. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.